Welcome to the Inventor's Quantitative MCP configuration tutorial. Today we're going to dive deep into how to seamlessly integrate FMZ's MCP service with Claude. First, log into Claude, preferably with a pro account. Then log into the FMZ Quantitative Trading Platform. Open the account settings and API interface pages. Click the Create New API Key button. You can set up IP whitelisting if needed. Then click the MCP option to get the MCP configuration information for your current FMZ account. Let's record the FMZ MCP information here for now. The current FMZ account already has a host deployed. On this host deployment page, you can click the button to deploy. I've pre-configured a Binance exchange. Click Add Exchange and fill in your Binance API key to configure it. Now let's configure the FMZ MCP information in Claude. In the bottom right corner of the Claude page, find the Settings option. Click Integrations. Click Add Integration. Paste and enter the MCP information. Name it FMZ. You can see that the FMZ MCP configuration has been loaded. Back on the Claude main page, you can see the methods currently supported by FMZ MCP. Now we can start putting it into practice and experience the new quantitative trading capabilities that Claude FMZ MCP brings us. Let's copy the prompt from the first practical scenario. Help me check the assets and positions of all my configured exchange objects. The method call requires authorization. We can authorize everything at once. Now the AI takes over the operation. The AI checked my Binance account assets and positions and output the data query results. Using the second practical scenario, let's give the AI a real challenge. I'm asking the AI, help me set up grid orders on Binance Futures ETH, USDC swap, perpetual contract market, placing only buy orders. The first buy order should be at 98% of the current price, and each subsequent buy order should be 2% lower than the previous one. Each buy order should be for 0.02 quantity, for a total of 10 buy orders. Please output all order IDs. Let me check my Binance account page. The AI is starting to place batch orders. This is so exciting. The AI has placed 10 grid buy orders. Now let's test the final practical scenario. Here's the prompt for the AI. Please analyze the 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute candlestick charts for Binance Futures ETH USDC swap. Make a comprehensive judgment about the current trend direction. If bullish, place a buy order at 1% below market price with a quantity of 0.01. If bearish, place a sell order at 1% above market price with a quantity of 0.01. Let's observe the AI's thinking and execution process. Completely autonomous AI trading. The AI is starting to analyze the market and trends. Let's look at the script generated by the AI. It's too complex to understand, but that's fine. AI's analysis better than what we usually get from influencers. After completing the analysis, the AI directly executed the trade. Let's go back to the Binance exchange page to see if the AI actually placed an order for me. That's right, it's the order with the price of 2,551.33. Okay, that's all the content for this video. Thank you for watching.